Yeah. You're gonna learn how to ski. Right here. That's what we're gonna teach him how to do one day. That's what I know how to do. Yeah. Maybe one day we'll have a video about that in the future. He doesn't like it when I stop looking at him. Oh, it looks so much fun. It's a lot of fun. Oh, this is nasty. Oh, he's moving. He's 70 miles an hour. Dang. He's moving. Your diaper's full. Can we just do a poopy? Yeah? Can we get one done? Can we get a poopy done so we can give you a new one? Yeah? We gotta position you again, huh? There you go. Why are you a jokester? Yeah? Joking with mommy. Mommy thinks you're about to go to sleep. You sleep for like 2 minutes and she puts you down. Now you're back in the chair. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Are you gonna recognize me if I shave again? Yeah? You know it's Daddy's birthday soon. Do you know that? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. That was work. They want me to know there's another meeting. Yeah. What's going on, baby? Do you eat?
Kada is staring at you as if he's understanding. Baby! Oh, baby! Kada is looking at you. Papa? Papa?
You have so many gloves. How many gloves do we have for you? Yeah, you're already ready to go skiing. You got your mittens. Yeah? We gave them to you. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good present, huh? Yeah. You know, your birthday, it was a few months ago, but we had your birthday party. You remember that? All the people came and we danced for your birthday? If you don't remember, we have a video so you can see in the future. Yeah. Yeah. I was telling him earlier that we are so lucky that I can be here as long as I am, and I'm able to be in the home and be around him. So many fathers don't get that chance. So many fathers, they have to go to work every single day, and then they're not happy in their marriage, and they have to pretend that they're happy with their kids. It's very hard. But I'm lucky. I'm happy in my marriage, and I have a happy life right now. So, money is always going to come, but time can never rewind. I hope when I have my next child.
You're talking about next child?
I always think about
Baby.
the future. I always think about the future. And I hope I'm able to have as much time as I'm having with him.
Hey,
Because it
Chineke
needs to
meo.
be fair.
Ah, baby, you're talking about the next child. Holy moly. Ay, 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 ay. Baby, your papa is talking about the next child. Ah, hey. Mm.
Not right now.
Hey. Oh,
I think probably within a
baby,
couple of years.
baby. Papa is saying about the next child. Look at the way he's looking at you. He's like,
you gonna
"What?"
replace me? You gonna replace me? You gonna replace me? No, I won't replace you.
He's like, oh, please give mama some time. Right, baby? Baby?
You want me to fix you again?
He's okay. Right, baby?
Let me fix your shirt. Let me fix your shirt. You don't like that. You don't like your shirt all messed
No,
up.
slowly, baby. You know
No.
his skin is still.
Baby, I'm just pulling it back.
Okay.
Fine.
Ah, baby? Ah, baby, baby. He can hear my voice, but he can't tell where I am.
She's over there.
No, 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 don't show him me. He will start crying.
Over there. Ah. Oh, did you see mommy? Did you find her? Oh,
Man, it's very hot. Mombasa is very hot, guys. What?
yeah. This is the picture.
You feel as if something is biting you, but there's nothing biting you.
78 degrees Fahrenheit, and then so that's like what Celsius? I don't know. Maybe 21 Celsius, I think.
Baby?
Have we already told him this baby does not like being hot?
He doesn't.
He's not like
He's laughing.
he's not like a
You don't want to be hot, baby?
usual Kenyan baby. He does not like being hot. Really?
Baby.
He disturbs you when he's hot, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't like it when it's hot. Of course, me too. I don't like it when I'm hot. And then when he has poo-pooed, oh my God, he will cry.
He's like, I want it out
Yeah.
now. Right.
Baby? Baby, baby, baby. How are you? How are you? Tell daddy today is your turn to be with me.
My turn's every day.
Oh, my cute baby boy.
I love these screensavers. Show them.
Yeah, the screensavers are nice.
Show them.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What, baby? Ah, we are growing. We thank God. Right, my baby boy? Right, my baby boy? Right, my baby boy? Acha, acha. You're growing, right? You're growing big. 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 You're growing big, right? Talk to Papa. Tell Papa something.
I'm ready for you to tell me about Jesus. And keep on reminding him.
Eh?
Hmm?
You see, Papa?
I think you now are just enjoying that fan, huh?
Baby?
You see Mama?
You're growing, man.
Changing on you.
Why are you changing on Mama? Why, my baby?
You're gonna
He's
change
laughing.
again.
He just wants to be held like that sometimes. He's laughing. Ah! Aka. Aka.
He's
Ah,
getting,
ta, 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 ta.
he's getting more expressive every day.
Oh, baby. Oh. Oh, my baby. Oh. Oh. Say bye. Daddy has to go for a meeting.
Oh, yeah. Why
Oh.
are you bonking your head? I think that's he couldn't go the whole way, so he had to like bonk his head and then turn the rest of
Look
the
at
way.
me, baby. No. The way you are. And look at me. Nice.
Alright, what time is it?
I have to check. For 6 minutes to 3.
Is he a happy guy?
Are you a happy guy? Are you?
Grandpa's coming. He's coming soon.
Soon. Right, baby?
Daddy's Baba's coming.
Daddy's Baba.
Daddy's dad is coming. It's gonna be great.
Very great.
I hope you're gonna be nice to him. Be nice to Dad. Grandpa.
Oh, baby.
You're his
My cute
first
baby.
grandson.
First grandson in the family. He's saying, do you know you're the first grandson in the family, baby?
Okay, let's let you hold him.
I'm not okay, baby. I'm not feeling good.
Well, I have to put him down in a few minutes.
Just put him down.
Alright, buddy. I gotta go. I gotta get ready for my appointment. Okay.
Papa is going.
He won't cry. That'd be funny if he did.
My baby. My baby. My baby. My baby. Ah, baby. Ah, baby. Oh. Okay. Your papa has left. No, sorry, baby.
Alright, let's see. Let's see if he stops crying if I come back.
Please, you have to come back. He's crying.
Hey. Let's see. Hey. Hey. Hey.
He's looking for boobs.
Hey.
He has stopped crying.
Are you better? Are you better? Yeah? Okay. Hey. I'll get you a boo. I'll get you. Ooh, is you stinky? You got a poo-poo? No, you fart?
Asking whether the baby has farted. Baby. Guys, I'm not feeling well, so today is Steven's duty to take care of the baby.
Time. I have to go.
It's alright, no problem. I'll just carry him. Baby?
Maybe you can give him this.
I'll just breastfeed him.
Okay, so I gotta go. You be good to mommy.
Say bye. Close
Bye
the
for
video.
now.
Baby, say bye. Say bye. Baby. Bye. Close the video. Close the video. Tell them bye. Bye. Team Faith and Steven. Yes, good boy.
We need to have a team baby.
Tell them bye. Uncle. Tell them bye, baby. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video, and Make sure you comment down below. Tell us what you think about baby Steve, the father and the child. Yeah. We love you so much. Kindly subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching our videos. Kindly also click up the notification bell so that you can be getting notified, and also share our videos. We love you guys. Baby, say bye. Baby.
Bye.
Bye. Baby. Goodbye. Goodbye.